Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk about XARA Shilajit Gummies. So you should use these kind of product or not. It will really worthy for you. It will really work for you. It will give you any kind of results, and when you will get results. So in this video we will talk about each and every information. So let's get started. So you can say these kind of gummies is very common, and you can get the same kind of gummies very easily on internet. So this is also basically a Shilajit gummies, and after using the product you can get some kind of energy related to men's testosterone level, and health benefits related to men's problem. You can say men's performance related issues, and you can get these kind of benefits by using these kind of, you can say, gummies. But you should use these gummies or not. So the thing is, I want to tell you only one, these kind of gummies will work little bit, not you will not get any kind of result overnight. You have to use these kind of gummies over long period of time, like approx 2 or 3 months or 4 months. And you know very well these kind of gummies prices very high, so you have to invest lots of amount. But the results are also depend on person to person. Maybe you will get good result, maybe you will not get any kind of result. So the thing is, you should without using product we cannot say it will really worthy for you or not. So the thing is, this is the only problem, the result and the money. The thing is, the cost of the product is little bit high, but if you have so much money then you can try. But if we talk about the result, the results are depend on person to person. We cannot say you will get 100% result, and we cannot say you are not going to get any kind of results. Okay, so this is the information. Now you can make your own decision what you have to do. I have done my job, and if you have any experience, you can share your experience in our comment section. Your comment will helpful for lots of people. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.